Hi, it's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I will teach you how to make authentic Japanese udon noodles just like ones from Marugame Udon. For those of you who don't know what Marugame Udon is a Japanese major udon noodle chain with more than 800 shops all across Japan and outside Japan, including Asia, the US, and recently in London. Let's make thick and chewy udon noodle from scratch. Here are ingredients. You need bread flour and cake flour. If you are using all-purpose flour, the flour should have about 9% gluten content. You need salt, water, potato starch for dusting, and generous amount of boiling water to boil the noodles. By the way, if you have any specific recipe you want to watch, or if you have any questions to me, please send a message. You can use the form in the description below. I want to take any questions from you. First, I will combine my bread flour and cake flour in a mixing bowl. Then add to salt and stir. Next, I will add water and stir until the dough looks like fine crumbs. Transfer the dough on the workspace and knead it for about 4 minutes. At the beginning, the dough should feel pretty dry, but after 3 to 4 minutes of kneading, it should become cohesive. Shape it into a ball and wrap it in a plastic wrap. Rest the dough for 30 minutes at room temperature. After the dough rests, divide the dough into half and shape into cylinders. Dust the dough with potato starch and roll out the dough into 30 by 12 cm sized oval shape. Dust the dough with the potato starch and fold a few times. Cut the noodles into 7 to 8 mm wide. Now, let's cook the noodles. Have a generous amount of boiling water in a large stock pot. Separate the noodles when you add in the noodles. Immediately stir gently so that the noodles don't stick together. Cook the noodles for about 12 minutes, but cooking time really depends on how thick the noodles are. Drain the water and rinse under the running water to remove starchy texture on the noodles. Serve the noodles on a plate with a dipping sauce and toppings like sliced spring onion and grated ginger. Its chewy texture is so much better than the dried udon noodles at the stores. Udon noodles can be served in variations. For the best curry udon noodle recipe that I shared previously, please find the link in the description below. On the next episode, I will share how to make udon noodle soup, one of the most popular udon dishes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!